I've discovered a good YouTube Shorts topic that's easy and quick to make using free AI tools. The idea is to create short, engaging videos about animals, packed with fascinating facts. For instance, you could share lesser-known details about cats or reveal surprising truths about lions. While exploring YouTube Shorts, I noticed that animal videos, especially those featuring dogs and cats, tend to attract a significant number of views. To add value to each video, I plan to include a Q&A segment where I'll address some of the most common inquiries viewers have. This includes questions about the potential for monetization with AI-generated voiceovers in both long-form and short-form content, as well as the overall feasibility of monetizing a channel with the help of AI tools. Now, without any delay, let's dive into this venture. First, we need a script for the video. You can create one yourself, but I suggest using ChatGPT. I'll ask it to write 5 interesting facts about cats that we didn't know. Since this might be too long for YouTube Shorts, we'll need to shorten it. ChatGPT will help with that. Copy the text and let's move on. The next step is to convert the text into voice. You can record your voice if you prefer, or I can use 11 Labs, which has a free plan. If you don't like 11 Labs, there are many other free AI tools available. When you enter, don't adjust anything. Just choose a voice you like. The Fox has many voices available, but I'd recommend against using the younger and more robotic ones. Okay, great. So, I'll choose Adam's voice. Make sure to press switching and paste the text here. At the beginning, I'll add 5 interesting facts about cats. Then, delete the numbers as I did. Press generate and download. Now, we need videos of cats. I usually go to a website called Pixels for this. Select the videos option and search for cats. Then, use the filters to set it to vertical. You'll find plenty of cats videos available. Choose as many as you can to make the video more interesting. I'll pick just a few. After that, we need some background music. I'll use Choik for this. Simply click on Download Music and choose the type of music you prefer. Listen to as many as you can to find the perfect one. Once you find it, just click Download. Don't forget to give the credit in description like it says. To start a new project, open CapCut and import all the downloaded files, such as images and voiceovers. Arrange the tracks by placing the voiceover track above the music track. If the original video has sound, mute it. Adjust the volume if the music is too loud by clicking on it and lowering the volume. Edit the voiceover by removing any long pauses to keep the video engaging. You can use Ctrl+B to split and delete unwanted parts. Apply a fade-out effect to the music for a smooth ending. Add captions using CapCut's automatic caption generation feature. Choose your language and apply a caption style you like. Fine-tune the text by adjusting its position, size, and flow. Add a few effects to enhance the video, but remember not to overdo it. Insert simple transitions between scenes for a seamless transition. Check the auto-generated captions for accuracy and correct any errors. Finally, export the video in 1080p resolution for the best quality on YouTube Shorts. And there you have it. Your video is ready to be shared. Now let's check out the video.
5 interesting facts about cats that we didn't know. Whisker fatigue. Cats' sensitive whiskers can cause discomfort if overstimulated, leading to avoidance of certain feeding bowls. Feline greeting. Cats bond by gently bumping heads in a behavior called nose bonking. Purring mysteries. Cats purr, not only when content but also in pain or distress, with the exact purpose still not fully understood. Catnip high. Roughly half of cats show no interest in catnip, while others react euphorically to its compound, nipedalactone. Unique vocalizations. Cats produce various sounds beyond meowing, including chirping, trilling, and chattering, each conveying different emotions or intentions.
The question I get asked most often is about making money, especially if we use AI voices. My answer is yes, you can still make money. I've monetized my channel without any problems. Nowhere does it say you can't make money on YouTube if you use AI voices. In past videos, I've used content from Pixels, and some people said you can't do that. But in all my videos, I include some clips from Pixels, and my videos are still monetized. If you've been told you can't make money, you might be using copyrighted material or someone else's footage. If you have more questions, feel free to ask. See you in the next video.